Good morning. My name is Maxine, and I am a natural self-care advocate for healing. I teach and I practice self-care. Today is day 3. I am doing Ramadan, and I want to share how I've been practicing my gratitude so far. You know, at about 3 o'clock, I start to feel hungry. And I know that hunger also correlates with some of you might be experiencing loss of concentration. So that's the time that I try and get out in nature or just try and get some fresh air, some movement. Back to gratitude. Yeah, so when I start to feel the hunger pains at about 3 or 5 p.m., I send love to those who I understand do not have the option of having a nutritious, healthy, balanced meal in, the next 5 hours. So when you start to feel low or down, send love to someone, and I promise you, your mind will shift like this because the love comes back to you instantaneously. Self-care, you are worthy. This is day 3 in the afternoon. It's been over 12 hours since my last meal, and I'm outside in nature. It's drizzling, and it took some effort to get here, but you know what? I know that my dreams and goals are worthy of these efforts. You know, your self-care is being the best that you can be, standing up for your dreams and your goals. And I know that sometimes during this practice, you'll go 12, you'll go 14, you'll go 16 hours without the meal. But you know what? The cause is so much greater. So I just want to say that I see you, I honor you, and that your self-care is so worthy. Peace out. Love you guys.